I don't know about you, but I love a good power washing video, and so I'm gonna film it for you just for fun. So here you go. It's a Sunjoy power washing machine. It was relatively inexpensive. It's self-contained. Hi there, this is Channing from Harvesting Heritage, and I done goofed. I put black mulch in a raining season on brand new cement, and my concrete pad is completely stained. We've already power washed it. Rule number one, if you have a mulch stain on concrete, do not power wash. It actually makes the stain penetrate more into the concrete. So unfortunately, that means for me that I don't have a great organic solution at this point to try to clean this. So I've gone to Lowe's and I've purchased a solution to try to solve for this, and Sean is gonna scrub for me. And then I am gonna get the power washer out and do some power washing. In California, we've been in a horrible drought, but I do feel like if I just do one power wash every few years to keep the moss off of some areas and to clean up our concrete, that's gonna be okay because it needs to be done. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good power washing video, and so I'm gonna film it for you just for fun since that's what we're up to today. Come along with me. So here's the chemical that I'll be using that I got at Lowe's for the stained portion. It's a concentrate, so we're going to thin it down quite a bit, pour it on the cement, scrub it, and then rinse it really well before power washing. And my new power washer, which I ordered on Amazon, and I can leave a link below to the one that I got, I think it works really well so far. We're putting this OxyClean outdoor cleaner in it because I do have quite a bit of moss that's been sticking on items, so that's what we'll be using in the actual machine. And then here's the machine. So here you go. It's a Sunjoy power washing machine. It was relatively inexpensive. It's self-contained, so we really just think that's going to work great for our limited use. There's my bucket and my brush, ready to get to work on that area.